Recently, a number of parking garages have collapsed catastrophically. The cause of these collapses can largely be traced back to neglected water intrusion conditions. That is, when water is allowed to leak into the parking garage, leading to the rust and deterioration of the steel supports. This shows the underside of a concrete parking garage structure. Sometimes the rusted steel is the rebar that is embedded in the concrete and cannot be seen during routine inspection. This reinforcement is what gives concrete the ability to support the weight of the vehicles above. When the reinforcement in the concrete has corroded, the concrete deck must be replaced. That is why it is essential that parking garage decks be properly waterproofed. This includes proper terminations and flashing systems. After waterproofing the parking garage deck, protection boards are installed and asphalt can be paved over it.